Ukhulume izinto ezihlasimulisa umzimba uThabane Hlatshwayo-ke laphana-ke echaza ngesimo-ke sikasisi-ke esithrenda ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke laphana-ke wasemtubatuba endaweni yaseDukuduku-ke laphana-ke owalala-ke nomuntu wokufika waseba-ke kule simo-ke akusona-ke laphana-ke njengoba-ke kuveziwe ukuthi-ke uneminyaka nje u-31 kuphela kodwa-ke isimo sakhe-ke sihambe sahamba-ke saze samkhomba ekutheni-ke engathi uwumuntu owugogo mumbuka. Bafowethu le simo sibuhlungu kakhulu futhi siyathusa kakhulu. NanguThabane Hlatshwayo-ke ugeqa amagula ekhuluma ngalolu hlobo. Ngicela wezwele mbuko lasemakhaya. Angifisi ukuthi uzwe ngami, mina ngithatha ngikunike njengoba kunjalo. Nanto Daba awuthokozele.
In the story of Usisi, I can share with you how does this happen. Uyabona yena uthola ukuthi yena this thing that is called a fallen angel ahlangane nayo wametha nayo bekungayena umuntu real. Bekuyiyo lento engikhuluma ngayo kuthiwa i-fallen angel. Lento iyakhona ukuthi uma uqeda kulala nomuntu imbulala ubuyena ishiye lo mdala ophuma ethuneni bese iyahamba yona. Yabo njengoba kanje uthothi isalukwazi lesi esasivusiwe saba umkhovu and sona sesiphila kule shell kasisi and sona kuyasho ukuthi akusasi umuntu existayo. Asikho isangoma ayikho inyanga akekho umfundisi ozokhona ukulapha lo sisa akekho. The only thing efanele ukuyirepentela alindele usuku lakhe because akekho umuntu ongamsetha free from this. If you think I'm lying or joking, lento ngiyazi ngeke ifike kahle mangathi uyivideo ibona amalungu omndeni, but there is absolutely no one who can be able to help. That's why mangabe bekutshela before time is over, pay attention. Siyazi ukuthi ulele nayo uAbdul and uHappy, but pay attention. It might never be a human being lo naye lapha endlini. Noma ungaba naye nabantwana abathathu nani, but it might not be a human being. Kanjengomama ungathi uthi nomama lokade ephuma la ethi nginengane neNigeria konke kuyaphela imoto umile nani. Most of them they can have materials, hotels and everything, but the day kuhamba bona, that's the day when uzosala nje they work like. But lendo legasisi le, I understand it very well. That's why I'm trying to explain it again. Ukuthi it's no longer hair in her body, but umuntu ongenile is an old person that was raised from somewhere. I'm just showing you the proof. And this thing is not just a thing that you think is just natural. This is just this needs someone who is spiritual, who can understand it in a spiritual level. That's why even if you try to fight someone who explains this thing, you'll never win. When someone has God in him, you cannot win. You cannot. Because this truth shall prevail. And the Bible says, thou shalt you know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Thou shalt you know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. The problem is that you guys, when you engage with these things, you don't know how much you sacrifice to them. In sex, you don't know how much you sacrifice to it. You don't know. If you meet someone who is a foreign and date them, you don't know how much you have sacrificed yourself into that. You will only realize when you are in a problem. When you are not in a problem, you are not going to realize. But again, I'm not saying, I'm not trying to scare you or do what. But what I'm going to say to you, I'm just saying, be very careful. If you are dating a foreigner, stay aside quickly. And izinto ezikanjengosisi sezizomanifesta kakhulu njengoba behamba. Uzobona njengoba behamba bonke laba abadate ama-foreign bazophupha bonke. I'm telling you. Even noma kuthiwa wena indoda yakhe iyi-foreigner benihamba ngama-Mercedes and what. But njengoba ehamba nizophupha njengodaye nonke. I-reason nonke nizophupha njengodaye njengoba ama-foreign ehamba, it's because they were never real people. Most of them, they were not real people. I know some of you are staying in the East States, you are like, hey, but at the end of the day, when that man leaves, I'm telling you, you are going to pooper like dust. There is a danger now to all our sisters that ever slept with foreigners. There's danger. There's too much danger in that one. In that one, I know abanye abantu besifazane bayakhomenta kwa Facebook, bayakhomenta ka TikTok, bayamhleka lo sisi ukuthi how from here to here bayamhleka. Ungahleki mawulale nalo. Ungahleki. Yabo mawulale nalo ifoni vele ube worried ungahleki. because such things, they might take place when they take off and you're able to reach them on the phone. We know people that we buried them before their time just because they were made a sacrifice. Ungahleki, uma ungathi uthandana nje nephone ungakuhleki lo.